We'll guide you through how to limit and cap FPS for AMD graphics cards. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. What we can do is go and stop the FPS from going above a certain amount. That could be 60, 100, 120, 144, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. This can go make it a bit more stable if you keep finding the FPS jumps really high, or there's another reason why. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done step by step. So to go and get started, what we can do here is you can go and open up a web browser. I'll go and open up Chrome as we do need to go and download something. So we're going to go and get something called ReaverTuner. Don't worry, we're guiding you through this step by step on downloading it, installing it, and setting it up. So what we can do is go and type in ReaverTuner Statistics Server. That's its full name. Come down, the site we're going to get it from is called guru3d.com. Wait for it to go and load. Now what you can do is come down here and see some different info about it, but we can go and find the download just here. Now what we can do is go and wait for this to go and download. It now has. What we can do is come out of our web browser and come and open up File Explorer, come to our downloads. What you want to do is go and select the zip and press Extract All and press Extract. And it's then going to go and put it into a folder here. Now what we can do here is go and run the setup, double click on it, and we can then choose the language, press next. Make sure you read this through and agree to it. I already have, so I'll press next, and we press next, and now it's just going to check if there's anything open which may prevent the installation, which there wasn't. If there was, all you need to do is at the bottom is press search, type in Task Manager, and then what you can do is go and search for whatever it says it's running. So it could be some type of background app, and you can then search for it. You can select it and press End Task and repeat that. Then it should go and automatically start when the application is just stopping it or maybe preventing it are closed. And then what we can do is go and press Finish, and ReaverTuner should now go and be running. If you go and press on the Show Hidden Icons in the bottom right, you want to go and look for the icon. Now, if you can't go and find it here, don't worry, you can press Search. Now what we need to do is go and open up ReaverTuner. So let's press search and you can go and type it in. You'll get a security pop-up and it should now go and be running. What we can then do is go and press show hidden icons at the bottom. And you want to go and find it in here and go and click on it and it will now go and open up. Now what you want to do is come to the frame rate limit. I've had this before, which mine currently said 60. I've now set it back to 0, but come into frame rate limit here and you want to go and click and type in the amount. So if you want to do it by 80, type in 80 and press enter, and then it'll go and be limited to 80 FPS. You may need to go and close games and restart them just to go and have this reflected. What you can also do is you can come down here and choose if you want to go and have your FPS shown. You can go and switch it on. What I like to do though is go and have this started with Windows. You can switch on start with Windows. That's it. Now it should go and be capped at the FPS you set there.